We are indeed a creative species as a whole, we can't deny that. We never stop creating amazing products and inventions that simplify life. Whether that be a new way to tell time or a blah, who knew you probably needed these inventions? Have you ever considered an issue or minor nuisance in your house that you wish you could fix? Whatever problem you're having, there's a good chance that a solution has already been invented. Experts say 2025 will be far more techy, so why don't you join us as we list down these 7 coolest inventions you didn't realize you needed. Let's begin with number 1. This shower footrest or shaving pedestal. If you've ever attempted to crouch down in the shower to wash your feet or shave your legs, you're aware of how difficult and inconvenient it may be to do so. There is now a footrest specifically for you. Feel special yet? Angled to improve balance, do away with awkward bending and stretching, and reduce injury risk. Shave in the shower from any position and height. Your feet no longer feel cold thanks to the surface's comforting smoothness and feel. This $15 shaving pedestal has a smooth surface and a comfortable feel. It is made of high-quality plastic that is strong, long-lasting, and sturdy. All family members can use the footrest, which measures 4.9 inches in width by 5.5 inches in length. The suction cup footrest makes it easy for you to pedicure, wash feet, put on shoes, and shave legs while enjoying a comfortable experience. Let's get rid of the inconvenience of bending over, especially for the elderly, expectant mothers, and back illness patients. In order to keep your body in better balance, it adopts an angled and circular arc design. As a result, you won't have to worry about slipping or being wounded in an unintentional collision. The vacuum absorption installation method is used by the shower footrest, which is free of punching at any surface and won't harm your wall. When in the shower, you can adjust its height to suit your needs, letting you relax and take greater pleasure in the bathing experience. Number 2. This bamboo charging station. What a wonderful gift this would make for your loved ones or friends. With this $30 charging docking station and organizer, you may live a happy and convenient life without worrying about the various charging needs of your various devices. Built solidly with an anti-slip mat, the classic design of this bamboo storage is long-lasting and complements any interior design scheme in your home or workplace. Devices may be stored firmly without damaging the surface where they are kept, thanks to the bamboo's natural construction. This bamboo charging station organizer can and will accommodate up to 8 electronic devices at once, keeping them organized and contributing in the tidying up of the stacking device charging. Furthermore, it works flawlessly with Apple products, as well as smart gadgets like watches, tablets, smartphones, earbuds, and even computers. With its wide magnetic base, you can conceal all wires, power strips, USB hubs, and chargers, keep the cables organized, and conserve space. Need more information? It features a built-in smartwatch stand and earphone stand where you can set your watch and headphones, making it space-saving and charging quickly. Number 3. This portable mini foldable wireless keyboard. With the help of this $60 tiny Bluetooth keyboard, you can pair 3 devices on 3 Bluetooth channels at once. You can work with your iPad, phone, tablet, or laptop invisibly thanks to this keyboard's simple switch that you can activate with a single button push on a Windows, macOS, iOS, or Android devices. You can get used to its layout and start working anywhere, thanks to its 105 key layout and number keypad. The bottom non-slip pads keep the keyboard steady and balanced so that it won't slide while you're typing. Scissor switches, low-profile keys, and quiet operation provide efficient typing that is comparable to a laptop, making it a superb wireless folding keyboard that keeps the classic typing sensation while removing over 90% of the distracting noises. This $60 travel-compatible foldable keyboard comes with a 210 mAh battery that offers 5 months of standby time on a single full charge. You can quickly fold up with a magnetic closure, and it won't open easily when you put it in the bag and carry it around. And it's not like any other keyboard, for this portable keyboard has a folding size of 8.46 by 4.68 by 0.78 inches. So it can fit in your briefcase or laptop bag, making it suitable for using on planes, at libraries, cafes, or any place you want. Okay, before we continue, we'd like to ask for a few moments of your time. If you want to support our channel, please leave a like and click on the subscribe button. This will help us create more engaging content for you. Now, moving back to where we left off. Continuing with number 4, this stainless steel butter spreader knife. No longer will your bread be ripped to bits by the tiny slotted slots along the edge of the blade that are intended to curl hard butter on your bread, almost like a heated knife that melts your butter in a snap. You won't need anything else to enjoy your morning bread besides this 3-in-1 butter spreader, which is suitable for both right and left-handed people. Open your bagel or roll with the serrated edge, scoop your butter with the slotted holes, or just glide the butter knife across the butter to make thick or narrow swirls. Made of premium food-grade stainless steel, this butter spreader knife is strong and simple to clean. Your hard butter is sliced through by the slotted holes, resulting in swirls that melt quickly on bread. Since the extra wide surface is perfectly flat, the butter will spread out yet won't rip your bread. Oh, and hold up, this multi-purpose kitchen tool is no longer just for butter. Use this multi-purpose butter spreader to spread, curl, grate, slice or shave your favorite sandwich fillings, including fruits, vegetables, margarine, tuna, jam, jelly, mayonnaise, eggs and chicken. This knife's serrated edge is also used to slice cakes and bars by savvy chefs as well. In short, it's a butter knife with so many uses. What more can you ask for an $11 knife like this? Number 5. This self-emptying robot vacuum. With a premium 3-stage cleaning system and 10 times the powerlifting suction, the Roomba i3 Evo vacuum cleaner handles messes and debris. You can pretty much have it clean any room you want, whenever you want, either on a predetermined schedule or on the rare occasion it learns your house and builds an imprint smart map. Isn't that just so awesome? And thanks to the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, which enables the i3 Evo to empty itself into an enclosed bag that traps 99% of particles as fine as 0.7 microns and holds up to 60 days worth of cleanings, you won't even need to lift a finger for months. In order to completely clean your floors while avoiding furniture, it cleans intelligently in straight lines back and forth. In order to guarantee a thorough clean, the i3 Plus Evo will pick up where it left off when it needs to recharge. What's more is that this $396 vacuum can identify even the dirtier parts of your home and clean them more thoroughly thanks to exclusive Dirt Detect technology. So that it doesn't get wedged under furniture, integrated sensors also inform the robot where it can and cannot fit. Number 6 in our list of inventions is this pet umbrella leash rainproof with C-shape handle. Even though it's raining outside, you really want to take your dog out for a walk. What should you do? I urge you to not allow the rain to prevent you from moving forward. Your dogs need to be walked every day, but it might be difficult on rainy days. This $26 dog umbrella will keep your dog dry and comfy while they're out for a stroll on a sunny day. It is also simple to use and install. First, install the stopper. Step 2, carefully remove the interior tube with your hands or pliers. Step 3, insert the final tube into the handle, press the latching button until it clicks, and voila! Installation is finished. Moreover, this umbrella has a C-shaped handle and a shaft that can be turned 180 degrees. The C-shaped umbrella handle can make it more comfortable to hold. Based on the height of the owner, the overturn 180-degree shaft can be modified. 2 stretchings of the umbrella shaft are possible, and guess what? The waste bag can be hooked up through the handle's hole, so it'll be easier for you to walk your dog hands-free for some time. And last but definitely not least is this dripless coffee mug. Stop the drip from leaving a ring on your desk or coffee table, plus own a superior coffee cup to everyone else's. With this $11 drip-free coffee mug, you can start your day right. The mug is smartly sized at 13 ounces, the perfect weight, durable, and specially created to limit all dripping. It's basic yet elegantly made. Dripping less results in less cleaning, less stains, and greater time and financial savings for you. Your hunt is ended for a stylish mug that prevents coffee stains on your furniture, clothing, or just anywhere possible. This is due to the fact that this is created and produced in a unique way using only materials of the highest commercial quality. The well-shaded handle is so pleasant in the hand and leaves enough space between the handle and the actual cup that the tea and coffee taste even better. So what are you waiting for? The mug is the ideal present for family members at home or for co-workers in the office and basically anyone. They will be grateful to you every morning if you spare them the effort of dealing with drippy coffee mugs. The best thing is that it features a tea-roux white design that complements almost any table setting. You may simply give it as a gift, make personalized gifts by stuffing them with candles, pencils, or by putting any other decoration in the mug. Which of these home inventions is your favorite? Or perhaps you purchased anything from Amazon that fits on this list? Let us know in the comments below. If you want more content related to this topic, make sure to check our channel. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.